largest international energy exhibition. Sungrow introduces its latest all-scenario solar, storage and EV charging solutions and launches the new generation of liquid-cooled energy storage systems Power Titan and Power Stack, which cover utility scale and CNI scenarios. Some of the other debuts include the new residential storage systems and the updated iSolar Cloud. Recognising Australia's stringent registration of generator performance standards, called GPS, Sungrow has assembled a dedicated GPS grid connection model team to accelerate its energy transition.